Want to connect your domain to another website using a CNAME record? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up a CNAME at Dynadot in just a few easy steps. First, go to dynadot.com and sign into your account. Next, in the left-hand menu, click My Domains and select Manage Domains from the drop-down. Find the domain you want to modify. Check the box next to it, then click the Action menu and choose DNS Settings. On the next page, open the drop-down menu and select Dynadot DNS. This ensures you're using Dynadot's built-in DNS settings. Now, scroll to Subdomain Record. Enter www as the subdomain. In the record type field, select CNAME and type in the destination provided by your web service. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Settings. Your new CNAME record is now set. And that's it. Your CNAME record is now active. Keep in mind that changes may take some time to update. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you next time.